Well then, today I gotta stack these hay for my dad. And by the way, this is Matthew here. I gotta stack all this hay for my dad that he got baled up. So, I got a spear in the back of the zetor here, and a spear up front. Excuse me. Excuse me. And this zetor, I don't know if you can hear me or not. This zetor tractor here is a farm tractor. Zetor 3320, and this is what it looks like. And I mean, I tell you, this thing can pull a lot. Now, it can pick up a lot too. So, I'm gonna grab a couple bales and haul them into my grandparents' house, and then, or where I stack them. And then, after that, I gotta get to work. But I'll show you how this is the one way to stack hay, or haul hay in. 2 bales on a tractor makes it a lot of difference. So, hang on a minute. This is the same per. I think purr's like a kitten. It sounds really good too for a tractor. And it's a rough riding, so that's why I'm going 3rd gear. And there's no brakes because there's the master cylinder for the brakes here down by the wheels. The brake master cylinder, or wheel cylinder, excuse me, the brake wheel cylinder is leaking really bad. So anytime you push the brake pedal, it's going to siphon all the brake fluid out. So that's why I'm just I'm pushing the clutch in and then letting it roll to stop. And had to keep putting brake fluid in it. Had to keep putting brake fluid because it keeps siphoning out fluid everywhere. So. And I don't know if you guys know it, but these zetor tractors like this one, it shares the brake fluid, shares the brakes too, but also it the clutch here. This clutch right here runs off of that brake reservoir. You can't see on the hood, but the brake fluid runs the clutch as well as the brake pedal. So. Hang on a minute, I gotta redo it again. It doesn't want to go that way, so I gotta go over it, turn around. Okay, remember I told you I have a spear in the back? Watch that bell. And that's how you pick up bells. And this is how you pick up bells. The reason why that front bell is not in, it's not in all the way, because these bells are Johnson grass, so that's why it's a little bit harder to stab the bell. But anyway, that's the way it's set up like that. Anyway, I gotta do this same thing to this whole darn field of bales of hay. I gotta stack all of this hay that's out here. I gotta go stack it. That's been, my dad baled up. So, anyway, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you're new. Enjoy the video, guys.